Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use WeVideo. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our Google Apps and we're going to scroll down to Google Classroom. And then once we're in Google Classroom, it's taking a little bit. So once you're in Google Classroom, we're going to hit the plus sign and we are going to enter our code, which is R3PHA 9K. I'm going to hit join. And then once you've joined, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And so if you scroll down, you can see I've added a new assignment. So I'm going to click on that new assignment. And there's going to be a video about a tiger. So I'm going to click on that tiger. And now I'm going to have a large picture of this tiger. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here where it says download. So I'm going to download this video. It's going to show a tab that says all of this, download anyway. And then down here, you'll be able to see it starting to download. It's going to take probably a couple of minutes to get it downloaded all the way. Once your download is complete, it will have something that looks like this. I'm going to click on Show in Folder. And then it's going to pop up by folder. And so right now I'm in the download section. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my video into Google Drive. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want to be able to access this video anytime. If it stays in the download, I have to have this particular computer in order to be able to work with the video. By moving it to my drive, it doesn't matter what computer I have, I can still find that video. So now you can see, I've done this a couple of times, but you can see that I've got the tiger video in here. So the next step will be to download WeVideo. So to do that, we are going to go to WeVideo. I'm going to hit the dot, and then I'm going to go to Web Store. And for some of you guys, when you go to Web Store, you might have to hit that arrow, and Web Store will be right there. So that's where we're going right now. And up here in the top corner, I'm going to type in WeVideo. And it'll take a little bit of figuring out, but eventually we're going to get to the point where we have some different options. So my options that I have here, I have extensions. I don't want the extension though. I'm going to scroll down and I want the apps. This is exactly what I want, WeVideo. So I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. And this will make it so that WeVideo will be accessible anywhere on my, just as long as I'm signed into Google. So I'm going to add the app. Right now it's checking. It's downloading it onto my drive. And so now I'm going to click on that and visit website. So now I'm on WeVideo, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create new. So I'm going to click on that. Then on this part, I'm going to say try it now. So I'm going to click on that. And then it's going to have all of these different things in order for me to play around with. But one thing I am going to do is I'm going to move my video of the tiger to video 2. So to get the tiger video and placing it on the video 2 section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the little folder that has a star on it. And then there's a little green cloud. I'm going to click on that. And it's going to say browse to select. I'm going to import from my Google Drive. And as you're importing from Google Drive, it may ask you which account do you want. So I'm going to click on my account that I want to sign in with. And now it's going to show me some of the videos that I have downloaded. So then all I have to do is come down. I see the tiger video. I'm going to click on that, select, and now it's downloading. So now my video is finished downloading. It's at 100%. So I'm going to drag this video down to the video 2 section. So I'm going to drag it down there. And now I should see that tiger video. And if I can play it, if you wanted to play it up here, you can. And so here is the tiger. And as you notice, there's a green screen around it. So we're going to change that green screen to some other video. So this tiger doesn't look like he's just standing on a green screen. So to be able to put my second video, which will end up going in video 1, to put that second video in there, I'm going to come to the star. And I want to search for just videos. I can search for images if I want to. Later on, we'll mess around with audio. But I want to put a video behind this tiger. So I think I'm going to do a video with fireworks. So I'm going to type in fireworks. And I have lots of different choices to choose from. So I'm going to choose one of these videos. Maybe I'll go ahead and stick with one of the first two. And I can preview it and watch to make sure that that's a video that I want. Maybe I want to do this one instead, so I'm watching to see if I like it. Once I figured out the one I want, I'm going to drag that video down to the video 2 section, or sorry, video 1 section. And if you notice, this video isn't long enough, so I could put it in twice if I wanted to, and it'll just keep on looping. Another idea, if I wanted to, is just to switch it up. So maybe I'll have fireworks for a little bit, and then maybe he goes into a forest. Makes sense, a tiger. So I'm going to type in forest, and once again, I'll preview it. That looks pretty cool. So I'm going to drag this down a little bit and put it in the forest in the video 1 section. So the next part we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this green screen so that we can see the video behind him. So to get rid of the green screen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the tiger video. And if you notice, there's a little black bar that will show up. There's a pencil, and I'm going to click on that pencil. There's also like a little wand and an FX, but I'm going to click on the pencil. And there's going to be a little person. I'm going to click on that. It says color keying. So I'm going to click on that. Of course, I want to try it. And then there's going to be a little eyedropper. I'm going to click on that eyedropper. And then I'm going to click on the color that I want to disappear. So I want the green to disappear. So I'm going to click on the green. And that green disappears. And then I have my video behind it. So once I'm finished, I'm going to scroll down and hit Done Editing. So now when I play my video, I am going to have my tiger with the fireworks behind it instead of the green screen behind it. And because I have 2 videos here, it's going to eventually transition and go to the forest. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some audio to this. So we're going to put some music to this whole video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and, I don't know, I'll type in another thing. I'm going to find Songs of Spring. And instead of going to videos, this time I'm going to go to audio. So I'm going to click on audio. And then if I click on the music, it'll start playing. So that sounds pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to drag this into the audio section. Now, if you notice, some of this is not going to end at the same time. If I were to go to the end of this tiger video and play it, the tiger disappears because my background is still going. And then my background will disappear and my music is still going.